Hello everyone, Corey May here with a tour of my online course module for my AP US History students with the topic covering the American Civil War. This module will operate within a blended setting, whereas the online portion will focus on more like discussion-based activities, individualized based activities, so that it will free up time in class for my students to work on small group work or our written-based practices for things like the document-based questions or long essay questions that my students will see on the AP US test next May. Now, in terms of what my students will learn over the course of this module, it's right here in these learning objectives. Basically, just they'll look at the causes of the war itself, and then the effects of the war. Now, the overall architecture of this course is fairly simple, with any navigational aspects you have here, or at the very bottom of the page, and then any basics for the course itself, such as the syllabus or grading policies, can be found on the home page. Now, on to Lesson 1, covering the causes of the war. There are several activities within this. The learning objectives here for the lesson are as follows: identifying and looking at the causes of the war, and then analyzing primary sources and interpreting opinions within the work the students will do. The essential question is what factors led to the division of the United States of America and what ultimately led the nation to war. And then the activities, the first one is the lecture, freeing up some time in class where the students will view it and take notes. And then there's several primary source readings that my students will have to read, and they have a choice over the 7 that are there, and they'll have to read them and collaborate and discuss the topics that are there. For example, in Abraham Lincoln's House Divided speech, they'll have to answer questions and comment. Activity 3 is just a video where they'll watch it on Edpuzzle, its crash course, and answer questions. And then the assessment for this lesson is they have to write a 1-page written response to this question here, and then they will post kind of a summary of their opinion to this discussion board and then comment off of that, so that kind of gives the students a chance to look at their other classmates' answers. All right, that's a tour of my course. Thank you.